Hello, good afternoon. I'm very glad to be here. And actually, today's event is connects China and Hugh. So my presentation is bridging academia and industry, Brazil-China innovation pathways. Actually, Brazil offers abundant deepwater oil resources as and Petrobras colleague share with us and renowned research institutes, where China contributes strong funding, technology, and market access. This complementary partnership is seen as strategic, enhancing both countries' energy security and driving technological innovation in the sector. Crucially, collaboration is forced by Brazil's policies that mandatory industry investment in RD&I, the NP's levy, is a very good policy in Brazil, ensures that companies like Petrobras, CNPC, and CNOOC work closely with universities on cutting-edge projects. In this presentation, I focused on key innovation area. I just selected two: decarbonization and digitalization, highlighting recent case studies and strategically collaborations between Brazilian academia and Chinese industry. From this map, you can see Chinese investment in Brazil is mainly focused on the energy, not only the electrical, but also oil and gas. But I believe for this year, oil and gas becomes more, because even from CNOOC, we already invest 8.5 billion US dollar in Brazil, especially in Rio. So I think start from the oil and gas for the China-Rio bridge, I think is a very good idea. Last year, we signed a contract, we signed agreement between with Petrobras and Welfare Jota and the COP. This is a strategical Brazil-China partnerships. This is more connects the innovation, science, and the technology. But it's not only for the energy, but also for some area, from some areas. So this is a CNOOC interest position in Brazil. CNOOC now took 8 oil fields from Libra, Búzios, also from some explanation. Brazil cooperated with Ecopetrol, BP, and for the new area, Pelotas cooperated with Shell and Petrobras. Also, we took the 2 blocks. The north one is 592, and the source is 1813. And actually, this it means CNOOC care the Brazil's offshore exploration. Also, ANP RD&I levy, and I mentioned is very perfect policy. You can see in Brazil there are more than 17 oil companies should take these RD&I activities. And also, I just download some data from the ANP website. You can see more than 0.5% is focused on the exploration and production. It's mean for oil and gas, I think the weight is much more than other areas. Also, start from in the beginning of the ANP's levy policy till now, 2 years before, the combination of the value is reached 6.21 billion US dollar. It's very huge, RD&I's investment. But the ANP's levy investment more focused on the academic. So, and if we want to connect more industry to go further, we should invite more the industry companies to involve. Also, focus area, decarbonization in oil and gas, reducing the carbon footprint of oil and gas operation is a top priority. And Brazil-China cooperation are tracking this through the innovation. Many ADIANA projects now cover on energy transition themes as operation committed to mitigate environment impact from the CCUS and the renewable and integration offshore, even to the bio energy and low carbon fuels. You know, in China, I just give you a example from the south of China. There is a huge CCUS project. So I think if we connect this project and to Brazil, to Rio, so we can find some opportunities. Also, middle of this map is our unique project from CNOOC. We call the Guanlan project. This is the first project supplies the wind power to platform in the world. And also from CNOOC, we are researching some new type of the wind farm, like the TLP, like the SPAR. It's not only the semi-wind farm. So if we connect this kind of technology with the Brazil's companies, with the universities, I think is a very good opportunity. Also for the digitalization and smart operations, you know, the China nowadays more powerful in the AI, you know, for the like the DeepSeek, like the Huawei's chip. So I think if we connect the Chinese industry, AI's industry, and if we tie the AI industry and with Brazil's some universities and companies, I think it's very good, especially in CNOOC, we are considering a new project. We use on-site facility monitoring plus mechanism digital twin model plus AI technology to serve some old existing platform and facilities. We will install some sensor and intelligent FPSO hull and also intelligent mooring system and intelligent deep water radars to evaluate the existing platform and FPSO's performance and make sure all of the facilities and the system work very well. But you know, this is a huge project. This kind of technology is much advantage. So I think if we connect the AI and use some machine learning technology, we will get the more results. Also, from the TRL, from technology readiness level, ANP's level project and only supports some project below TRL 6. So if we want to transfer this kind of research result to the industry, to the commercialization, so we should go the TRL 9. So how make them how the reality? So just Mariana mentioned, so we want to invest more startup company. So we want to use some industrial ability to make the TRL to TRL 7, TRL 8, or to TRL 9. Also, the last page, bridging academia and industry between Brazil and China. China has proven to be a powerful engine of innovation. It creates a vertical cycle policy like the ANP's levy and provide resources which enable joint ADIANA projects through projects yet technologies that improve industry performance and the environment outcomes. And the successful innovation encouraged even more collaboration. Both nations are committed, as evidenced by formal agreements and ongoing investment, to expanding this partnership. By doing so, they are not only addressing current oil and gas industry needs, but also laying the a groundwork for a more sustainable and high technology energy future. Okay, thank you.